Hello kids, Sairam. Welcome to the Max session. Last two session of Max, did you all enjoy? What was our topic? Geometric shapes. Okay. And the next was edges and corners. Okay. Did you all enjoyed it? Okay. So before starting with a new session, I would like to revise what we have already learned. Are you all ready? Okay. Children, look at the shapes. How many shapes are there? Four. Very good. What are they? Square, triangle, circle, rectangle. Very good. Rectangle is in which color? Red. Yes. And circle? Pink. Square? Green. And triangle? Blue. That's very good. Now here, these are the different shapes again. So let's revise the names of these shapes. Let us start. Ready? Start. Cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone. Repeat. Cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone. Good. That's very good. Children, after the shapes, we had learnt the different edges and corners of the different shapes. Okay, what is the shape? Cuboid, yes. Children, last time teacher told you all, see, these dotted lines. What are these dotted lines? Why teacher has drawn these dotted lines? What are they called? They are the edges of the cuboid. They are the edges, sides of the cuboid. Okay. Now we'll count how many edges are there for cuboid. Ready? Start counting and tell me. Yes, how many? Yes, 12. Very good. So a cuboid has 12 edges. Now, children, you can see round, 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 round. Yes, what it is? It's the corners of the cuboid. So let us see how many corners are there. Count and tell me. How many? 8. So there are 8 corners for a cuboid. Very good. Now children, what is this? A pencil cell. What is the shape of the pencil cell? Cylinder. Very good. So a cylinder has how many edges? See, teacher has put the dotted line. Yes, 2. 2 circular edge. Why it is called a circular, teacher said? Because it is round in shape. Do a cylinder has a corner? Can you see? No. So a cylinder has 2 edges and no corner. Very good. What is this? A cone. Very good. Children, do a cone has a corner? Yes, it has. How many? Very good. 1. A cone has 1 corner. And how many edges? Teacher has drawn, see the dotted line? Yes, 1. That is also a circular edge. So, a cone has 1 corner and a circular edge. 1. Okay. Now, what is this? A football. What is the shape of a football? You all play football, na? What is the shape of the football? Spear. Good. Okay. Now, can you see any corner for this ball, children? No. Can you see any edges? No. Why? Because it is full round. So, a spear has no corner and no edges. Very good. Now, children, look here at this picture. What is this? A cylinder. Okay. Now, again, we'll revise. A cylinder has how many edges? 2. How many corners? No corner. Very good. And what are the edge called as? Circular edge. What is the shape? What is the shape of this? And what it is? It's a funnel. What is the shape of this funnel, children? Cone shape. Very good. So how many corners do a cone has? One. And how many edge? One. So a cone has one circular edge and one corner. Very good. Now this is a book. Okay. Last time also teacher has showed the same picture. Okay. So a book has how many edges, teacher said? 12. Very good. So you are practiced. Good. And you remember. Very nice. And how many corners? 8. Very good. So a book has 12 edges and 8 corner. Very good. Now look here, children. What is this? Watermelon. You like watermelon? Do you all eat watermelon? Good. Okay, this is a full big watermelon. So what is the shape of the watermelon, kids? Spear. Okay, do a spear has edges? No. Good. A corner? No. Very good. Okay. Children, now today let's handle the geometric shape. In this, we are going to learn the top surface and the bottom surface of the different shapes. Now, before starting with the session, I'm going to show you all something. Real things. Okay, are you all ready? Okay, look here. Now see, this is a box. Look at this box. Can you all see this box? Yes? Okay. Now this box when I keep the up part, up, it is called the flat surface. Top flat surface. Okay. The side is also called as flat surface. Okay. Two sides and the upper part, the top, is called as flat surface. And the down part is called as the bottom. What it is called as? Bottom. Now this cuboid, this box is a cuboid shape. Okay. So cuboid has one top flat surface, two side surface and one bottom surface. Okay. Now look here, children. What is this? A cone. Okay. It's a cone. Now this cone has, see here, this cone has this one curved surface. This is also surface. This is a surface. So it has a one curved. It is curved. So it has a one curved surface. Okay. And here see, down part of the cone is flat. So it has one flat surface. So a cone has one curved surface and one flat surface. Okay. Children, look at this bottle. This, okay. Now this bottle is cylinder shape. Can you all see properly? Yes. Now this cylinder shape bottle has one flat surface up, one bottom surface and one curved surface. One flat surface, top flat surface, bottom surface and one curved surface. Okay. Children, this is what? Can you all tell me? Musambi. Okay. Now this Musambi is what shape? Can you all tell me? Spear shape. Okay. Now do this Musambi, this spear has any surface? Can you all tell me? It is full round. It is full round. So it is full curved surface. Okay. Full round curved surface. Okay. Now let us start. Flat surface and curved surfaces. Children, can you see a cuboid? Everybody? Okay. Very good. Now see, teacher has put marks, orange dots. Can you all see orange color? Okay. That are called as top flat surface. What it is called as? Repeat. Top flat surface. Repeat. Top flat surface. Now look here, this cuboid. Now here down, teacher has colored with green color. What it is called as? Flat bottom surface. What it is called as? Flat bottom surface. Repeat. Flat bottom surface. Now this is a cone. See, teacher has colored with blue. Can you all see? Yes, that is the curved surface of the cone. Repeat. Curved surface of the cone. So how many curved surface? 1. How many curved surface? 1. Now look, this is cone's bottom surface. That is the flat surface. So how many flat surface do a cone have? 1. How many flat surface do a cone have? 1. Repeat. A cone has 1 flat surface. Repeat. A cone has 1 flat surface. Very good. Now this is a cylinder, children. Okay. Now a cylinder has how many flat surface? 1. Very good. A cylinder has, repeat, a cylinder has 1 flat top surface. Repeat. A cylinder has 1 flat top surface. Good. Now look at this cylinder, children. Yes, see the colored part. Can you see what it is? It is the curved surface of the cylinder. So how many curved surface do a cylinder has? 1. Very good. So a cylinder has 1 curved surface. Repeat. A cylinder has 1 curved surface. Very good. Now this is a sphere. How many surface does a sphere has? Can you see flat surface? No. What you can see for a sphere? Curved surface. So how many? 1. So repeat. A sphere has 1 curved surface. Repeat. A sphere has 1 curved surface. That's excellent. Very good. Children, now we are going to do activity. I think all have understood the top flat surface, the curved surface, okay, and the bottom surface. Shall we move to the activity, kids? Are you all ready? That's very good. Now look at this Coca-Cola can. What is the shape of this Coca-Cola can? Cylinder shape. Very good. So how many flat surface this cylinder has? 1. How many curved surface? 1. Very good. How many bottom surface? Flat bottom surface? 1. That's very good. Sphere. It's a ball. The ball is what shape? Sphere. So it has 1 curved surface. 1 curved surface. It's a cone. So it's a birthday cap. Birthday cap is cone shape. So cone has 1 curved surface and 1 bottom surface. Very good. This is the cuboid. It's a butter box. It's in cuboid shape. So a cuboid has 1 top flat surface, side surface and 1 bottom surface. Very good. Children, I hope all enjoyed this session. Okay. Now do one thing. Whatever things are at home, practice with the surfaces. Bottom surface, curved surface, flat surface. Okay. Next time when teacher will come, teacher will ask you all and do the revision of this flat surface and curved surface. Okay. Bye bye. See you. Take care.